Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by quantifying the problem. Pull 30-day versus 90-day traffic and clicks, and map the biggest percentage drops to specific pages. Once done, open Search Console to isolate affected queries, impressions, and index coverage errors so you know where to focus. Make sure you also check crawl stats and manual actions. If a manual action exists, that demands immediate remediation. This first step gives you a prioritized list of pages and problems to fix right away. Next, you work through diagnoses, review thin or duplicate content, and either improve, consolidate, or canonicalize those pages so Google sees value. Then address technical SEO, mobile responsiveness, core web vitals, and structured data errors to remove friction for indexing and ranking. Once technical fixes are in place, restore trust signals by improving EAT. Update author bios, add reputable citations, and correct facts. As you implement, recrawl fixed pages in Search Console, and finally, you request reindexing for repaired URLs and submit an updated sitemap so Google sees your changes quickly. Monitor recovery closely. Check impressions, CTR, and average position weekly, because gradual gains confirm success while sudden drops signal issues. If recovery stalls, run a targeted content audit and perform a /B tests to see which content versions regain traffic. Troubleshooting tip. If still stuck after 4 to 6 weeks, check for lingering technical blocks or seek a third-party site audit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.